Hello kids, my name is Jatin. Today we are going to make it one cartoon pumpkin. Take a pencil, we are going to start. One deep curve like a C shape. One more deep curve like a C shape touching to the both the corner. Here our slipping oval shape is done. One standing line, one slipping line, one standing line. This is a stamp of a pumpkin. One straight line. This is the layer of the pumpkins. One more curve touching from the same point to the same point, even on the upside and downside. Again one more curve touching to the first point to the last point. Same thing here at the opposite side. At the first corner, make it curve to the end corner. One more curve starting from the first point to the end point. Here my pumpkin is ready. Now I am making it little bit funny. So I am going to make it eyes, one curve, one curve. This is my eyebrow. This is my eyes. This is my eyes which has been blinked. Again one curve as a nose. One more curve as a smile and a dumpy cheeks. One tongue which is coming up from the mouth. Here our pumpkin is ready. Pumpkin is grown on a land. So I am going to make it one land which is going to end of my paper. Same thing here. Here my land is done. Now we are going to fill a color. Take it light brown color, as we all see that pumpkin is found in light brown color. But I want to make it little bit shaded, so I am going to make it light brown color and yellow color. First I will be using light brown color. Here my light brown color is there. In one curve I am filling light brown color. My curve are very small, so please fill it slowly. Take it yellow. In another layer I am filling yellow color. Do not go in eyes. Here my second level is done. Again I am going to third by taking my light brown color. Do it slowly. My third level is finished. Now I am going to fourth one. Cover with a border. Fill inside. Take it light brown color. Fill it inside. And lastly, my yellow color to my last layer. My pumpkin is done. Now I am going on a top base in a stem for filling a light brown color. Here I want to show a land as a grassy land. So I am taking light green color. First border. Fill border inside. Slowly. It should be in a land proportion. It should not be going out. Now I am going to take it yellow color to blend it for showing a grassy lawn. Now yellow color till down. going in slipping mode. Now for making it a unique color in a single tone, take your cloth, cover your finger and rub it. This shading is possible in only oil pastel colors, kids. So please, when you are going to use oil pastel colors, at that time you can rub it and you can blend it colors in a two ways like this. Here our land is ready. Now few grass growing on the land. Here is our grass by giving a strokes rising downside to upside. If you want to make it few flowers, yes, you can make it few flowers on it by putting red dots. Here my flower is ready. Here our pumpkin is ready, a funny pumpkin lying on a garden. Kids, enjoy our drawing. And please do share our drawings. If you like it, share it and please comment it whatever you like it. Thank you, kids.